Power Hour. Mike V. A touch behind, I'm not going to lie. SMCI stock of the day. Let's go to earnings. After the close. Even mixed situations in the oils. Devon's up. Oxy not acting too well. Give me a second, please. Trying to sign into freaking too many things, and that's my fault. I apologize. Earnings after the close. Let's go to before the open. Bob is look at this before the open. You know what? This Wayfair has been taking some flow. Not in it though. Too many pin action. In the morning, Baba, Walmart, W, CCJ, Shack, LNG, Baxter. My God, JMI. I had two. I'm down to 22,000 JMI. I sold 200,000 in the last 24 hours. Burke taking calls. That sector is weak, but Burke is taking calls. Billy, J Norm, you there? Builder. Look at after Carvana, Toast. That's wrong. It's TOST. Acting very well. ENVX, Cake. Anyway, we'll get down to what's going on. First of all, second of all, third of all, whatever it is, I implore everybody. No, I highly suggest that you go watch Coach's video that he did this morning. Great interview. Coach does one every morning, 9:30 a.m. And believe me, these are some of the handful of guests that he gets, as well as curating his own data, if you will. As you can see, these names here, 3 out of the 10 of them are arguably one of the top 3 out of the top 10 traders of all time. Jack Schwager, Peter Brand, David Contrarian, been right all along. Thanks, Coach. Okay, let's get to the videotape, as they used to say. Let's go right here to my main page. UMCA defense names. Bitcoin's in that gas. No one wants it when it's at the high, right? No one wants nat gas when it's at the high. UNG. I did it yesterday at this time, literally 24 hours ago. I'm looking at oil. So wow, if this was a stock, suppose this was a quantum stock, I'd be in it. Breakout volume, but nobody cares about it. UNG, same thing. Look at this thing. What is that? That's like one of these long RRC. I'm telling you, SU, another one. You want your positions to work, don't watch them. That's one. SMCI. Grab has earnings too. I don't know what to do. The VIX wasn't so low, I'd take a chance, but this is the thing. If I'm wrong with a play, to maybe step out of my comfort zone, maybe taking something in the earnings, i.e., I'm going to be stuck. You don't see a lot of reversals. Something like a 4 square. You know what I mean? Just pinned. Something like a TTD. They usually would bounce after being down 40% in one day. That's what happens when the VIX is like that. I don't want to get stuck. NTNX. NTNX. The sexy one right here. That's what they're buying. Don't kill the messenger. Just another one, too, that looks sexy. They're telling me, oh, that worked. Oh, no. I can't believe this worked. This looked good on the close. Another one they like. How about this one? It's from Verizon. AT&T. Deer plowing ahead. Plowing. You can't take the rest of the ags up. CF has earnings. Moss. You want it to work. One day Moss is going to be up or down 20%. This is what it's going to be on Ukraine news, potash news, something like that. Feels like Friday, even though it's an abbreviated week. Having moves like it's a Friday. Let's get back to family. What's the family saying here? Carvana. All right. You don't want to be wrong there. Don't want to be wrong. CPIX. This is the one too they're talking about. Cumberland Pharmaceuticals. You know what's a little bit about that stock? Pharmaceuticals. Is the weekly. It's got it in it. Active trader, maybe at best at this point. Okay, let's look at this situation here. I don't know. I don't know. I'm grasping. I'm grasping. You know why I'm grasping? I'm between swing, short, EVH, percent gainers on the day. If it doesn't have a million shares, we're not interested. GTAI, I mentioned that this morning. See this JTAI here for the family? JTAI, number one winner. SEDG gave it back. JTAI, a little float special 6 hours ago. Take a gander now. I don't know. Here we go. Percent gainers list on the day. Like I said, if it doesn't have a million shares by now, I'm not interested. Usually it's a lot higher. Should be a lot higher with the VIX this low. Okay. Percent losers, 60 minutes. SMCI, I'm shorted. Look, I knew this would happen. There's the SMCI short, Mike V. He didn't want to say it because it's an advanced trade. There it is. Planeteer too, I'm short. We got something going on here. Oh, the market must be selling. Well, let's go. So, SMCI somehow up in this position. Just covered some. Planet there. Just covered some. Planet. What's going on with this planet there? Don't we let you know another one? Sweet Green, Goodyear Tire. Get some active moves. Futures are going the other way. Okay, stocks that are breaking now that I see. The Sweet Green, the consumer salad sector. This thing broke badly. And you know what followed it? Tried to hold up Taba. How about Pepsi? Didn't break. Planeteer. What's up this Planeteer? Peggy Sue could be a day delay. Actually, you know what? Peggy Sue's not a day delay. Watch. Rigatoni staying in there. CPNG, Carvana, Fuel, that gave it back. SEDG was up 40% 1 point. Closing on the low. They squeezed them, right? Listen, okay, let's talk regardless of the stock. The stock was up 40%. It was a short squeeze. Everybody knows it's a dog. Okay. Once it broke, this is the trade. Once it broke below the opening low, right here. That with the VIX at this level, then it was a drift down. Goodyear Tire. Nice trade. Jeff. What time is in California, Jeff? You should be on now. SCDG, Reddit. AUR, that was acting good the last couple of days. Gilead acting very well. Still acting very well, Gilead. Another one that had its day today, VKTX for the family. One day up like that. CRISPR, Nutella. At this very time, 24 hours ago, I was saying, can't believe this thing was up another 10% today. Still going higher, Nutella. Gene therapy. What's going on here? Aklo, Meta, Planeteer. Mike V. All right, got a little more Planeteer. We got 1,000 left. I'll buy 400 at the market. This thing's going down like $8, like without a commercial. What's up here? All right, this is what I do. Baba, into the close. Earnings in the morning. There it is. Wouldn't touch it. Trade it. It's a difference. Why take the risk? ZK. Riven. Taking calls now. Could work. Look at this. Let me see what's going on Planet here. I have another news feed, but I'm trying to show everybody that doesn't have privy to my news feeds of what's going on. So Planeteer, I only follow 60 people on Planeteer CEO, new plan to sell 1.2 billion worth of stock. Sorry to hear it. Usually that's 6 months early. That's the news. I'm up in the Planeteer. All right. Next, what's going up is the market's going down. That's what a real trader looks at this moment. Generic trade. Percent gainers in the last 60 minutes as Planeteer and the rest come down. COMP, it's highlighted. This worked again? Oh, that was it, COMP. You know what's hanging in? These quantum plays. But once again, serve. What are you going to do? They're hanging in there, Dave Rigetti. All right, bravo. The relative strength in a weekday. Get it. It's not a take for me. It's not a take for me. There's overhead supply. I get it. There is news. Trade it. Spies are coming. I need to short something. These bastards. What's going on now? SMCI. Look at this thing now. Just came down 6. I'm in it. That's what happens. I don't have much. Dollar Tree break. You know what? This is good. I'll give you one. First of all, the DLTR. Oh, that's what happens. Walmart has earnings in the afterwards. That's what happened. Dollar General peeking its head up. Okay, what's going on here? What's breaking high? Onion, Wayfair has earnings. Hims was the stock of the day. Gilead, Hem, Viking Therapeutics, Microsoft going higher as the futures are going lower. What's happening here? Oh, there's this fuel cell added JMIA. There is JMIA. There's my 18,000. Look yesterday at 224. Planeteer. Guys selling billions of stock. Billions. SMCI is cratering. I only have 400 now. You know what? This little lesson here cost me a little bit of loot. Where's the chart on SMCI? There it is. Stocks just fell 10. I'm sitting here. 10. CCJ earnings. Affirm first day down. Upstart first day down. Planeteer. I'm up $11 in this. All right, whatever. Next. SMCI taking a lot of bearish flow. Okay. One of the best guys out there. Pro publishes books. And not because he's Italian. Matt Caruso has a lot of followers. And this is the same thing. It's a chop market, except the environment moves slowly. Keep losses. And you know what? That's something else that I posted. As I should have a lot of this stock here, but I have an obligation. Same thing that I posted this morning. Another Jack. A lot of chop and reversals. All right. Follow who I follow. Okay, the high level opinions. I only follow 61 people. Jack's one of the biggest out there, 85,000 people, and he's good. All right, so we'll leave it there. Any questions? G Money. I know you're there. I know you're there, G. Planet there, 115. He's selling $1 billion worth of stock. This might not be healthy for your overall situation. But I'll go. Thank